We are solving algebraic equation that involve division. So, example 1, you're gonna have the question like this. So, let's say A, you have 5x is equal to 30, and the B we have 2x, let's say is equal to negative 16, and C we have 4x is equal to 10. Now we are solving. Solution. A, you are given 5x is equal to 30. We are finding here the value of x. This is an algebraic equation that involves division. So from the equation above, you will have 5x is equal to 30. So here you divide by 5, you divide by 5. So this and this cancel by 5, 1 by 5 you get 6. So here x will be equal to 16. This is the required value of x. But B you are given 2x is equal to negative 16. We are finding the value of x here. So from the equation above, you have 2x is equal to negative 16. So here you divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, you get 8. There is negative here. So x will be equal to negative 18. This is the required value of x. And C we have 4x is equal to 10. We are finding the value of x here. So from the equation above, you have 4x is equal to 10. So here you divide by 4 both sides. So if you divide by 4 cancel by 4, this one 10 cannot be divided by 4 directly. So here if you see we have 10, we have 4. The number which can divide both 10 and 4 is 2. By 2 you get 2, by 2 you get 5. So x will be equal to 5 over 2. This is the required value of x. Example 2 here. Example 2. Let's say you have solve, let's say A you have 3x minus 5 is equal to 7, and B we have 2x plus 11 is equal to 5, and C here we have 4x plus 3 is equal to 5. We have this kind of question here. Now we are solving this kind of question here. So A here you have 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. This 5 here is negative. Once it come on this side, it become what? A positive. So we have 3x is equal to 7 plus what? Plus 5. So 3x will be equal 7 plus 5 here, you get 12. So to get the value of x here, so you divide by 3 here by 3. 4 by 3 by 3 by 3, 1 by 3, you get 4. Therefore, x will be equal to 4. B you have 2x plus 11 is equal to 5. We are finding here the value of x. We don't have. So from the equation above, you have 2x plus 11 is equal to 5. This one here is negative, is positive. 11 is positive. Once it come on this side, it become what? Become a negative. So you remain with 2x is equal to 5 minus 11. So 2x will be equal to 5 minus 11 here. You get negative 6. So here you divide. To get the value of x, you divide by 2 both sides. Because this and this cancel by 2, 1 by 2 getting 3. So x will be equal to negative 3. Yeah, example 3 here, we have C, you have given 4x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here we are finding the value of x here. So you have 4x plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 here is positive. So once it come on this side, it become a negative. So remains 4x is equal to 5 minus what? Minus 3. So 4x will be equal to 5 minus 3 here, you get 2. Then to get the value of x here, you divide by 4 both sides. So this and this cancel. Here you simplify. By 2 get 1, by 2 get 2. So x will be equal to 1 over 2. This is the required value of x. Example 3. Example 3 here, find the value of x. Let's say A you are given 7x minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 3. And B here you have 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 15. And C here you have 3x minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 2x. We have this kind of question here. So let us start. Solution. Question number 1. A here you have 7x minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 3. So this 9 here is positive, is negative. Once it come on this side, become a positive. So remains 7x is equal to 4x plus 3 plus 9. You have the question, you have 7x is equal to 4x plus 3 plus 9. So this one will be equal to 7x will be equal to 4x plus 3 plus 9 here you get 12. This 4 here is positive. Once it come on this side it become what? A negative. So we have 7x minus 4x is equal to 12. So 7x minus 4x here you get 3x is equal to 12. So here divide by 3, both sides. This and this cancel by 3, 1, by 3 you get 4. So x will be equal to 4. This is the required value of x. But B you have 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 15. So this one here is positive. Once it come on this side, it become a negative. So 4x will be equal to 2x plus 15 minus 1. 4x will be equal to 2x plus 15 minus 1, here you get 14. But 2x here is positive. Once it come on this side, it become a negative. So you have 4x minus 2x will be equal to 14. 4x minus 2x here you get 2x, which is equal to 14. Then to get the value of x here, divided by 2 both sides. This and this cancel by 2, 1 by 2, 7. So x will be equal to 7. C we have 3x minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 2x. We are finding the value of x. So if you see here, 5 here is negative. Once it come on this side, become a positive. So remains 3x is equal to 2 minus 2x plus 5. So you will have 3x will be equal to, here you rearrange 2 plus 5 then minus 2x. So we have 3x will be equal to 2 plus 5 you get 7 minus 2x. But 2x here is negative. So once it come on this side, it become a positive. So you will have 3x plus 2x will be equal to 7. 3x plus 2x here you get 5x will be equal to 7. Then you will have 5x is equal to 7. So here divide by 5 by 5. For this and this cancel. So x will be equal to 7 over 5. This is the required. Yeah, example 4 here. So let's say A you have 5x minus 4 bracket 3 minus x is equal to 15. and B you have 8x minus 2 brackets 4 minus x is equal to 10 minus 3 bracket x plus 1. We have this kind of question. Now we are solving. We are finding the value of x here. So here you have 5x minus 4 bracket 3 minus x here is equal to 15. So here you open the bracket. So it will be 5x minus 4 times 3 here you get negative 12. Negative 4x times the negative x, you get the positive 4x is equal to 15. Go here you rearrange. So you will have 4x plus 4x here minus 12 is equal to 15. So if you add here, you get 9x minus 12 is equal to 15. So this one is negative. Once it comes on this side, it becomes a positive. So you have 9x is equal to 15 plus 12. So 9x will be equal to 27. So here divide by 9 by 9. So this and this cancel by 9. 1 by 9 you get 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Question number B. Question number B you have 8x minus 2 bracket 4 minus x is equal to 10 minus 3 bracket x plus 1. So first of all, this equation it involves what bracket? So you have to open the bracket. So it will be 8x minus negative 2 times 4 you get negative 8. Negative 2 times negative x here you get positive 2x is equal to 10. Negative 3 times x you get negative 3x. Negative 3 times 1 here you get negative 3. So this one will be equal to, here you rearrange. So you have 8x then you plus 2 x minus 8 will be equal to, and here you rearrange. You take 10 minus 3 minus 3x. So 8x plus 2x you get 10x minus 8 will be equal to 10x minus 3 here. 10x minus 3 here you get 7 minus 3x. So here 8 here is negative. Once it comes on this side it becomes a positive. So remains 10x will be equal to 7 minus 3x plus 8. So 10x will be equal to, here you rearrange, 7 plus 8 minus 3x. So 10x will be equal to 7 plus 8 here we get 15 minus 3x. 3x here is negative. So once it comes on this side it becomes a positive. So you have 10x plus 3x will be equal to 15. So if you add here you get 13x will be equal to 15. Then you divide by 13. You divide by 13. So this and this cancel. So x will be equal to 15 over 13. This is the required value of x. Yeah, solving weighty problem. Solving weighty problem. So we are solving equation that involve weighty problem. So step. The first one you have to form an equation. Yeah, and the second one you have to solve. So first of all you have to form the equation from the weighty problem, and then after forming the equation now you solve, you find the value of the unknown. So let's start example 1. Example 1. The difference between a number and between a number and 24 is 7. Find a number. You have this question here. The difference between a number and 24. The difference between a number and 24 is 7. Find a number. So, solution here. First of all, you have to let a number, let unknown number be x. So first of all, you have to rate the unknown number bx. But here you are given the difference between a number and 24. So the difference means minus. So you take a number that is x. Difference means minus. Minus 24 is equal to what? To 7. That difference means subtraction. So therefore, 24 here is negative. Once it comes on this side, it becomes a positive. So remains x is equal to 7 plus 24. So x will be equal to, if you add here, you get 31. So therefore, the number is 31. Example 2. A father's age is 4 times the age of what? Of his son. If the sum of their age is what? Is 50 years. Finding the age of the son. Yeah, you have this kind of question. The father's age is 4 times the age of his son. So, solution here. First of all, you have to rate. You are given the father's age is 4 times the age of his son. So, let the age of the son be what? Be x years. Then if the age of the son is x years, then the age of the father, the age of the father is 4 times the age of his son. So will be is what? Is 4x years. So the age of the father will be 4x. If the son has x, the age of the father is 4 times, will be 4x years. Then the sum, you take the age of the son, that is x, plus the age of the father, that is 4x, will be equal to the total, that is 50 years. So therefore, if you take x plus 4x here and get 5x, will be equal to 50. Then here divide by 5, you divide by 5. So this 1 by this 1. By 5, 1 by 5 you get 10. So here x will be equal to 10. Therefore, the age of the son is 10 years old. Example 3. The sum of two consecutive number is 31. find the smaller number. You have this key question here. The sum of two consecutive numbers is 31. Find the smaller number. Solution here. You are given here the sum of two consecutive number is 31. Consecutive numbers, they differ by 1. Consecutive number, these are the number which differ by 1. So let's say that let the smaller number be let's say n. Then the larger number is what? Is n plus 1. Let the smaller number be n, then is the larger number will be n plus 1. So the sum, you take the small number that is n, you plus the larger number that is n plus 1 will be equal to 31. So from there you open the bracket. It will be n plus, if we open here plus n, then plus 1 will be equal to 31. So you have n plus 1 is equal to 31. So here you add n plus n, here you get 2. n plus 1 is equal to 31. This one here is positive. Once it come on this side, it become a negative. Yeah, it remains 2n is equal to 31 minus 1. So 2n will be equal to 31 minus 1, here you get 30. So 2n is equal to 30, then here divided by 2 by 2. This and this cancel by 2, 1 by 2, 15. So n is equal to 15. Therefore, the smaller number is what? 15. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Teacher Gabriel Julius. I'm teaching mathematics and the computer. This is the ending of the first lesson. The coming lesson we are going to finalize algebra. I'm a supplier of DVD containing this lesson of algebra. So if you want to contact me, Tigo, I'm using 0675 51 64 and 80. Airtel, I'm using 0783 91 47 80. So thank you very much for watching.